All right, Spartan. Let's gear up for a mission of a different kind. Creating a gingerbread house, fortified like a UNSC outpost. First, gather your supplies. Think of your gingerbread pieces as the base plates of a warthog, sturdy and reliable. You'll need these cut into walls, roof sections, and a foundation, much like assembling your armor. Now, the assembly. Use your icing as if it's biofoam, sealing the joints of your structure. Apply it generously along the edges of your gingerbread walls, binding them with precision and strength. Remember, a Spartan's work is both strong and precise. Hold the pieces together, like comrades in battle, until they're bonded as firmly as a Spartan fire team. Decoration is where your tactical creativity comes into play. Think of it like camouflaging your base on a foreign planet. Use candies and sweets like they're resources scattered across a battlefield. Strategic and purposeful. M&Ms can be like plasma grenades, lined up along the roof. Licorice strips can serve as barricade reinforcements. And don't forget the powdered sugar. It's like the frost of a distant icy moon, dusting over your stronghold. Stay focused, Spartan. Decorating a gingerbread house requires the same concentration as calibrating your MA5 rifle. Each candy placed, each icing line drawn, is a step towards victory. Remember, in the field, adaptability is key. If a wall crumbles, like a shield taking a hit, reinforce it. If your icing runs out, find alternatives. Improvise, adapt, and overcome. And finally, stand back and admire your creation. Just like looking out over a reclaimed battlefield, take pride in your craftsmanship. This gingerbread house is more than a festive decoration. It's a testament to your skill, precision, and dedication. Mission accomplished, Spartan.